Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the phone number validation. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So I'm going to add three number invalid, phone number invalid. Let's add the phone number validation with 10 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still invalid. Okay, let's see the logic. Okay, so here we have the logic, right? So phone number validation, so here we have the valid phone function. So get the phone number value. Okay, so here first we do start for the string. Okay, first digit must be 6, 7, 8 or 9, followed by the exactly 9 digits, total 10 digits. Okay, so there should be a 6 to 9 start with of the string. Okay, and it should followed by the exactly 9 digits, total 10 digits. Okay, so let's see, but I have opened this. Okay, let's add plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's do the validate. 10 digits, put 9 1 6 7 8 9 10. Still invalid. 10 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's valid. So only up to the 10 digits you can see it's valid. If I put one more digit, it's invalid. Okay, so basic funda over there is like we are adding followed by the exactly 9 digits, total 10 digits should be there. Okay, so make sure, because mobile number is of 10 digits, if you go with the plus also with country code also, so in that case it would be a 12 digits, right? So we have to do the validation like this. So it's a simple validation like the 10 digits I needed. If I go with a string, let's see what will happen. Oh, this like string again if I put only the string, invalid. Then 10 string 10 digit, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Validate again, invalidate. If I put the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, it's 10. Just check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's valid. Okay, maybe the one more digit is missing or something. Okay, so the strings are not allowed, right? Only the digits are allowed. Okay, so this is the expression that is first digit must be of the 6 7 8 or 9, 6 to 9. Okay, and d9 followed by exactly 9 digits. Okay, so it should be followed by 10 digits, right? And at the end of the string that we have added. Okay, this is the end of the string. That's it. And here again we are using the regex.test function to test the value. Okay, if it is valid, it will go with the changing the text content, adding the class name success. And if the invalid, so I'm going to just replace the result with text content invalid phone number and changing the class name to error. That's it. Okay, so whenever you have the functionality like validating the mobile, you can use that logic. And if you want to update that logic, up to you whether it's to be adding the country code with the plus sign, everything. Okay, so this is a simple function that you can validate your phone number. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.